Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to submit a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. For those of you who do not know, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is a U.S. government agency that makes sure banks, lenders, and other financial companies treat you fairly. So the first thing you will need to do is type this in your browser. Go to submit a complaint. Start a new complaint. Things you will need when you submit this complaint online. Start your complaint. So like I said, I'm just gonna show y'all what to do. I'm just putting in anything. So do not put in my information for your information. So have you been going back and forth with the credit bureaus and you are not seeing or getting any results? So first you're going to pick what is this complaint about. So you're going to pick whatever your situation is. So I'm just going to say somebody stole my identity and I was sick, so I wasn't able, to purchase all these items, and now my credit report is all jacked up. So I'm going to choose the credit reporting for my situation because I want to get everything removed from my credit report because it's fraudulent. So whatever your situation is, that's what you're going to choose. But I'm complaining about something that's reporting to my credit. So what type of problem are you having? You're going to pick your situation, and I'm going to pick, which one am I going to pick? Improper use of your report. Like I said, pick whatever your situation is. I'm trying to get everything deleted off my credit report because everything is fraudulent. And I did not give them permission to report this information, for one. And secondly, like I said, this information is not mine. So what best describes your problem? Choose whatever is your situation. I'm going to choose reporting company used your report improperly. Have you already tried to fix this problem with the company? Yes. And so y'all know, you can you can dispute with the companies directly if they don't have any proof, or they ain't got no proof to prove that the account belongs to you. You ain't got no contract with them, like you want to see the contract. So you can send all the complaints right through here and upload documents and all that. So what best describe what happened? This is what I'm going to put. Make it a little bit easier. This is what I'm going to start off with. Read that. This is what I'm putting for my situation. If this is your situation also, you can also take this and, submit it with your complaint. I'm going to click right there. What would be fair resolution to this issue? I'm going to put in delete. I don't have any documents at this time, but if I did have any documents, I will upload a FTC report, or if I had a police report, just anything to show that this is fraudulent. So what company? I'm just going to put Experian. We need information to help the company find you in their system and respond to your complaint. Just to let y'all know too, when it comes, say if you are disputing with filing a complaint with the direct source, I do not suggest that you put in the last 4 digits of your social security number, especially with the, sorry, y'all, I lost my train of thought. Especially when you're disputing with the collection agencies. That's their job to prove that you are you. Don't give them no information, because what if they didn't have that information? Remember, they bought the accounts for pennies anyways. So do not help them verify who you are. Do not send your social security number. The much as I would do is just put the name and probably sometimes the date of birth, but usually the name. You do not want the collection agencies to have all your information, because they can just rig up the paperwork and do what they do. So I'm just gonna skip that optional, but if this, when it comes to the credit bureaus, put all the information in. But like I said, when you're disputing with the collection agencies, don't do it. Say, do you want to complain about another company? If you're having the same problem with TransUnion and Equifax, you would just add the company name in there. Did you try to fix the problem with them? Yes or no? And the info. Just do it again. If not, just press no. No. And then next. What I do? I've missed something. Hold on, I thought I closed that out. Oh, okay, right there. Let me fix that. Okay, next. So who are you submitting this complaint for? Myself. If you're doing it for somebody else, put your information over there. So me to United States. Put in your contact info. Oops. Excuse me, y'all. Put your info in, number optional, your email. I'm gonna copy and paste it. Oh, might as well just type it in. That's it. Age is optional. You can answer these other optional questions if you like. I'm not doing it. I just believe they being extra nosy. Review. Today, the people are waiting today. So review your complaint. This is what it's going to look like. I authorize, read the information, and submit your complaint. That's it. And then they are going to send you confirmation to your email. You're going to have to set up an account and all that good stuff. So if this video was helpful and you want more videos, let me know. Like, share, and subscribe.